Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
8.1, page number 193. Clear? So first problem, we should express sin A, secant A, tan A. We should convert this into what? We should write into in terms of cot A. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. First we can convert. We can write sin A as a in terms of cot A. Okay. Now you can tell me how we will convert. Listen. When we are converting that reciprocal, it is not possible because it is a cot. So it is not possible for the reciprocal. So the only relation between these two, we can use it. What? We can use it. We can use the identity, a trigonometric identity. Cosecant square equal to 1 plus cot squared A. Clear? Excuse me. So cosecant squared A, it became a 1 by sin squared A equal to 1 plus cot squared A. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah. Next, now you can go with the cross multiplication. It divided by 1. So 1 into 1 1. Now next, sin squared A into 1 plus cot squared A. Right? Clear? Next time I want only sine. So what are you supposed to do? You can keep a sign along this side. You can bring this 1 plus cot squared towards the left hand side. What it became? Here's the multiplication. Come this side became a division. So 1 by cot squared A equal to sin squared A. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Okay. Next, next you have sin squared A. So you should write sin squared A as a sin A. That is, so it became a 1 by 1 plus cot squared theta. Sorry, cot squared A equal to sin A. Clear? Because sin squared A, it is a 1 by 1 plus cot squared A. So sin A, the root will be there, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Next, now we segregate the root. One root is 1 here. 1 plus cot squared A equal to sin A. Clear? So now we wrote sin A as a in terms of cot A. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Here you can put plus or minus. Are you clear? Any doubt? Excuse me. Clear? Why? Here we can't able to take 1 plus cot squared A. Here it is a squared only, but we can't able to out. Why? Reason? Why we can't be able to take a outside of root outside? Why it is here it is a cot squared? Why we can't able to take that cot is square only? No, we should take one cot outside. Why? It's not possible, but why? Madesh? No, because it is under the addition, right? Clear? 1 plus cot squared is addition. Clear? If suppose it is like a 1 plus cot A the whole square means we'll take outside. Clear? The square and the root can be cancelled. But here it is a addition, so we can't able to take. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. And one more over here. If you don't want to go to the cross multiplication, it is very simple one. You should write here. Actually, we already wrote here sin squared A equal to 1 plus cot squared A. So it's very easy. You should write sin squared A is equal to here 1 by sin squared A. So you can write sin squared A. Here you should put 1 by cot squared A. Clear? Excuse me. So instead of this cross multiplication step, you can write like this. Clear? Excuse me. Here 1 by sin A. So 1 by sin A, you can write sin A. This is only 1 plus cos squared A. You can write 1 by 1 plus cos squared A. Clear? So instead of this two, you can use this one. Either which is a better one, easy one, you can do it. Clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Okay, da. Shall we move to next problem? Next, sorry, next section, sorry, secant A. We can write in terms of cot A. Secant A, we should write in terms of cot A. Sure. What is the relation between secant and cot? Do you have any other identity to use it? Secant and cos. Secant cot. Cot into tan. No, we can secant. Very good. Listen, actually, in a previous problem, we hear that what it is, that is sine squared a is equal to, sine squared a equal to what it is, 1 by 1 plus cot squared a, right? Clear? Okay. Now, what we supposed to do next? So in the sine squared a, we know that sine squared a plus cos squared a equal to 1. Next, cos squared a is equal to 1 minus sine squared a or not. So we can write that is in the same way we should write sine squared a equal to 1 minus cos squared a, right? Clear? Excuse me. So instead of sine squared a, you can put 1 minus cos squared a equal to 1 by 1 plus cos squared a. Are you clear? Excuse me, pa. Okay. Next step, cos squared a is equal to, you just move the 1 towards the right side. So what it is? What it is? 1 minus, right? Minus 1. 1 by 1 plus cos squared a minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now here the minus cos squared theta, right? So now I want to remove the minus from the cos squared theta. So I can multiply minus in the both sides. So it became a cos squared a equal to, the minus 1 became a plus 1. This term it became a minus 1 by 1 plus cos squared a. Are you clear how I did that? I just simply multiply minus in the both the sides, because here the cos squared a, I want to make this minus cos squared a as a plus cos squared a. So when I multiply minus towards this term, it became a plus. When I multiply this here, the plus minus 1 became a plus 1. The plus in the entire term is became a minus. Clear? Excuse me. Any other doubt? Any doubt? Are you all clear? Excuse me. Are you clear? Any other doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Next, now you can take LCM for this two. You can simplify it. Cos squared a equal to LCM 1 plus cot squared a minus 1 divided by 1 plus cot squared a. Right? I just simply multiply the numerator and take a LCM. Excuse me. Are you clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now, in this cos squared, shall I write it is by secant squared? 1 by secant squared a equal to 1 plus 1 plus, that is plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So here remaining cot squared a alone divided by 1 plus cot squared a. Are you clear? Excuse me. Here wrote cos squared as the 1 by secant squared. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now in both the sides you should take out a root. Clear? Both sides you can take it to the root. Root of 1 by secant squared a equal to root of cot squared a by 1 plus cot squared a. Clear? Now 1 root is 1, secant square root is secant. Here cot squared a is cot a. Here alone we should not take a root because addition. So 1 plus cot squared a. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you clear? Next. Next. Now it is a reciprocal. I want a secant alone. Here is 1 by secant. So we should write secant a is equal to 1 by of this term. So it became a root of 1 plus cot squared a divided by cot a. Are you clear how I did this? Actually, for this you should do the cross multiplication. So 1 into root of 1 plus cot squared a, which is equal to secant a into cot a, right? I just did the cross multiplication. Are you clear? Excuse me. Then I want only secant squared a. So you can down the cot squared a. So what it became? 1 plus cot squared a divided by cot a equal to secant a. Clear? Excuse me. Same answer we get it here. Clear? Any doubt? So you can use any one, this one. Any one. Clear? Excuse me, pa. Any doubt? So we write a secant as a in terms of cot. Clear? Any doubt, baby? Excuse me. Any doubt? Are you all clear, pa? Very good. Very good. Super. Next one. Next one. Next one. What they're asking here? Tan to cot. We should write a tan theta as a tan A. We should write in terms of what it is. Tan cot. Sure, okay. We obviously we know that we have a lot of relation between the tan and the cot, right? There is a 1 by reciprocal is already cot. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. So we should take here tan theta, sorry, tan A equal to what it is. Excuse me. Tan is equal to sin theta by sin by cos. Clear? And we know that what is the cot? Cos theta by sin theta. Clear? Excuse me, are you clear? Clear? So one is a reciprocal of another one. So can we write tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta? Because the reciprocal, right? That is the over. Answer completed. One line. Clear? We wrote a sin theta as a in terms of tan theta as a in terms of cot theta. Are you clear? Any doubt, pa? Excuse me, any other doubt? Girls, boys, any doubt?
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.